Hey guys, it's Harmony here from Street Science. I want to show you a super cool and easy experiment to do with sound, okay? So we know that sound is vibrations. When we make a noise, we make the air vibrate and it continues to vibrate until it hits our ears. Inside of our ears, those hairs move around, those drums vibrate and bang around, and we can hear a sound. So I want to show you a sound experiment called thunder straws, okay? So what you need is a plastic straw. And I know we don't really use plastic straws anymore, which is really good because they're not very good for the environment, but I bet you've got one lying around, maybe in the third drawer in the kitchen or in that old party bag or something like that. You can even use a straw from an Up and Go. So find yourself a plastic straw. What you want to do is just flatten out the tip a little bit. You can do that on the table. Maybe use your scissors just to flatten the tip of your straw. Then what we need to do is cut a triangle out of the top. So you want it to be a pointed end, just like one side like that and the other side just like that. See how it's nice and pointy there? Now, this is the tricky part. You want to blow into your straw and make it vibrate to produce a sound. So this can be a little tricky. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, you need to feel out the right spot in the straw. And if you can't get it at first, a good tip is to try and flatten it out a little bit more. Let's give it another go. Could you hear that? That was pretty cool. That was the straw vibrating, making a sound. So, to try and alter that sound, we can do some different things. We can try and blow in different ways. We can also cut the straw to be shorter. Let's see if I can do it. Oh my goodness, could you hear different frequencies in the sound then? That was pretty cool. You guys should give that a go at home. This actually is the same kind of principle that we use in certain types of instruments. So this straw is similar to what we could call a reed in musical instruments. So instruments like bagpipes have a reed similar to this, a long piece of material that vibrates to make the sound. So pretty cool, you guys. Give it a go at home.